Pause. You are playing with fire. You are playing with fire. Do not do this to your hair. This thing, like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, it's Chidera TV. I make videos about fussy natural hair, dreadlocks. Like you can see, I have this beautiful butterflies, and then I make vlogs, travel vlogs, food vlogs. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. If you have dreadlocks, like salon locks, I'm sure you would have heard this thing of, oh my god, don't use conditioners in your lock, it's going to spoil it, you're going to get build up, it's going to make your hair not lock faster, blah 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 blah. So last month my Freeform locks hit a year. I'm going to make another video. I made a video of my 6-month journey. I'm going to make another one for my 12-month lock journey, my 1 year. Hooray. So the thing is that I've not used conditioners for a year now. Any type of conditioners. I've not used leave-in conditioners. I've not used rinse out conditioners. In fact, I just stopped using conditioners once I got my 2-strand twist and decided that okay, I'm locking my hair. And then I was like, okay, let me try using conditioner. So I'm going to tell you guys the whole thing behind conditioner on dreadlocks or not, and then my own personal experience, like how I felt about it, how my hair felt about it. So you guys keep watching. So first of all, right, what are conditioners? You know what conditioners are. When you shampoo your hair, when you wash your hair, you use conditioners. Conditioners soften your hair, and most of them contain silicones that help with product sleep, and they help with like the frizziness of your hair. And the way dreadlocks work, the mechanism behind dreadlocks, like dreadlocks are clean matted hair, right? So you want to clean your hair, and then at the same time you want your hair to rub together the way kinky hair rubs together. So naturally when your hair rubs together, you know, without you detangling it, is going to mat. That's what forms dreadlocks. Your hair rubs together and they kind of like marry each other. But then when you use conditioners in your beginner locks, otherwise known as starter locks is like young locks that are not mature yet. For me, my hair is not really mature, but my hair is not still in that baby stage. My hair is more like the teenager stage or the youth stage, you know, like the millennial stage. So yeah, when you use conditioners in your locks, right, your starter locks, we are telling your hair that, oh, I'm giving you that sleep, I want you to be less frizzy, and then I want you to be conditioned. You are kind of like slowing down the rubbing process, because your hair is trying to rub together, friction, and then tangle, mat to form dreadlocks. So using conditioner in your early stage of having semi-free from dreadlocks or free from dreadlocks, or even like the salon dreadlocks, you are slowing down your locking process, you know, your budding process, your maturity process of your dreadlocks, and just making it slow. So that's the mechanism behind it. And then another thing is that most people, right, when they use conditioners in their dreadlocks, okay, or locks, sorry, I'm going to call it dreadlocks or locks. I know that some people are really not okay with it being called dreadlocks because there's nothing dreadful about it. It's basically just matted hair, right? Yeah. So when you use conditioners in your dreadlocks, the thing is that most people don't know how to rinse their hair well. When I say rinse your hair well, I'm not talking about going to the shower and then you do this to your hair. Please pause. You are playing with fire. You are playing with fire. Do not do this to your hair. This thing, like this. I watched some tutorials on YouTube and they will squeeze their hair like this, like cloth. It is hair, it's not clothes, okay? It's not Ankara. Don't do that to your hair. If you do that to your hair, what happens is that you make, especially your dreadlocks, you make your roots weak, because you are doing this basically. You know, look at this. When you continue doing this, what's happened? The middle what is become weak, and before you know it, you have locks that are not, you know, they are not the same shape, and you have weak spots which will lead to breakage, and you don't want that, right? So back to the thing about using conditioners on your lock. Most people, they don't know how to rinse their hair. Usually when I had my hair loose, like my 4C natural hair loose, this is still 4C basically, I put conditioners in my hair a lot because my hair likes conditioners a lot. My hair is really thick, as you can see now. My hair is really thick, and my hair likes conditioners. So I'll use deep conditioners, I'll use leave-in conditioners, I'll use rinse out conditioners, all type of conditioners, DIY, name them, all of that, and then I'll rinse it out. So the thing with dreadlocks is that some people, when they use conditioners in their hair, let's assume that you want to take the risks and slow down your locking process and all that, they don't know how to rinse out their hair. So let's say, for example, if you use conditioners on your loose natural hair, your afro, and you stay under the shower for like let's say 6 minutes just to rinse your hair, you know, and go. When you have dreadlocks, when you have locked hair, right, your hair is now locked, right? So when things get in, you want to make sure that those things, like, they go out, like they're totally out, especially foreign products like conditioners. Obviously, I mean, this is not aloe vera, this is not natural oil, this is conditioner that, you know, with chemicals and all that stuff. So when you have dreadlocks and put conditioners in your hair, it's always advisable to rinse your hair longer. So if you stay in the shower for 10 minutes normally, just stay in that shower for 20 minutes at least, so that you know that that conditioner that you have in your hair, everything, when you rinse it, that everything will come out. In fact, the rule is that you rinse your hair, that your hair will be so clean that when you look at the water that is coming out of your hair under the shower, the water is like really clean, same as the one coming out from the shower, right? That's one thing. And then what I said about squeezing your locks, when you're washing your locks, you do not want to squeeze it like wrapper. It's not ankara, it's not material. I don't know why you are doing that thing. Don't do it. Okay, what you want to do, if you don't want to be patient and use t-shirt or so under the shower, you can just do this. See, you do this, look at, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. I don't want to say it again on this channel, but I'll say it. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. If you twist your hair like this and you spoil it, you enter my DM on Instagram, I'll start charging you people. You start paying me or giving you advice. So that's what you want to do when you are rinsing your hair, right? So for me personally, when I use the conditioner in my hair, it gave me that sleep. My hair felt really more silky, sort of, because that's what conditioners are supposed to do, obviously. But I made a mistake, and this is like confession time. So I went to ShopRite and I was like, voila, I'm going to try conditioner. And instead of getting my regular VO5, the one I used then when I had my loose hair, I just picked a random conditioner because I didn't see VO5 and I didn't have the energy to go around Lagos. I mean, there's lockdown and all that. So it was when I went home, I saw that the conditioner I took had a lot of parabens in it, and let me tell you guys, that is not good news. That is totally bad news. You want to avoid parabens. Like, if you see them, just run away for your life, trust me, because parabens, okay, from what I've gathered about it, they are so bad that it kind of like mimics your natural estrogen, and then somehow it is connected to breast cancer. But honestly, this does not mean that I'm going to just take that conditioner and throw it away, because that is 950 naira that I don't have. So I'm going to probably keep it, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe I'll use it to do giveaway, or I don't know, maybe I'll try to use it again after 6 months or so if it has not expired. But basically, when you are shopping conditioners, right, both for loose hair, both for locked natural hair, just don't buy the one that has parabens in it, because it's not safe at all. And parabens, they don't usually come like parabens. Though something be attached to it like methyl parabens, I don't know how to pronounce it. You know those scientific names, right? So that is it. What I did basically, I just washed my hair. Usually I wash my hair with the African black soap that I sell, the liquid version, and that has served me a lot, like my first year, because I use it a lot and it cleans my hair so well, and it leaves my hair like super fluffy, and my hair feels light, you know. My hair only feels heavy when I put water in it, and I'm like, okay, back to it, we are on it again. But that's what I used, and I'll use the conditioner. I just apply it in my hair. So what I did, I tried to just rub the conditioner on my hair like outside instead of making it to soak up, because I was really confused and I was somehow scared because I didn't want it to maybe go deep and get stuck in my locks and I have to wash my hair for like 25 minutes. I don't have the energy or water for that. This is the African black soap that I use. This is what I usually wash my hair with, the African black soap that I sell. And it has like natural stuff in it. It has activated charcoal, it has turmeric, it has neem, you know, and it is well diluted for my own personal use. At least this one is my own, so I dilute my own. So you see it looks full to the brim. I just add like more water to it so that it's well diluted for my own use, my dreadlocks. Then I use this. This is a bigger size. I sell the one of 100 ml, but it has the same label, but this is 200 ml. This is my hair growth oil. It's a mixture of tea tree oil, peppermint, almond, all the good stuff, jojoba. I actually have like two formulas. This one is the one without coconut oil, and there's another one with coconut oil. So yeah, I have two formulas. So usually when you're buying, and then if your hair is sensitive to coconut oil, I'll give you the batch without coconut oil. When you're using conditioners, just make sure you dilute them. My conditioner too, the one I used, I diluted it, so my sister already used some of it, so I just added water to it and I used it. So it's kind of like really diluted, like well watered down, so it's not, you know, all that junk in my hair. And then another thing is that instead of using conditioners, right, you can just easily do an aloe vera max, right? I know I owe you people a video on this one. I have promised and I will deliver. Just give me time, okay? My light is spoiled, so it's a long story. So I'm going to do the aloe vera max. I'm going to show you guys how to do aloe vera max. It's good for your hair, dreadlocks, 4C natural hair. In fact, aloe vera is the bomb. If you're not allergic to aloe vera is just everything good. You should have it. It is a staple. Then apart from that, another way to condition your hair without using regular conditioners with silicone and parabens is to do the hot oil treatment. But just like I said before, hot oil treatment, you identify the oils that your hair, your scalp likes, you apply it on your locks or your hair, then you just cover it with a plastic bag. That's the ShopRite bag or your shower cap. Then you leave it for some time and then you rinse it off. It helps condition your hair, helps to, you know, restore that gorgeousness that your hair probably missed due to free radicals like the environmental dust and UV rays and all of that, right? So you can do aloe vera, you can do hot oil treatment, and then, but I strongly, like personally, for my own opinion, I strongly advise against conditioners if your dreadlocks are still new. I don't think you should use it. I think you should wait for like a year or even a year and some months, so that your hair will start locking at least, or budding. You know, your hair will get into another phase instead of introducing your hair to a conditioner in the early stage. You get? Okay, personally for me, I would say that if I'm going to use conditioner in my locks again, I'm probably going to do it like once or twice in a year. that's like regular conditioners, so not the aloe vera max that my hair really like. That's, you know, conditioners with, you know, normal rinse out conditioners. So I probably do it once a year or twice a year. I don't think it's something I want to continue doing because I'm really scared of buildup. I've seen pictures of buildup and it doesn't look nice, and I just cannot risk my beautiful luscious dreadlocks having buildup in them. You understand? So you guys, this is the end of the video. If you have any questions concerning dreadlocks or falsy natural hair, feel free to reach out to me. If you have video suggestions, you know that I'm going to reply your comments and your emails. Just type it down or just send it to me. I'll make sure I answer you during my free time. And then if you need a video, I'll definitely go ahead and make a video. So this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow my hair page where I sell shea butter, hair growth oil, and African black soap. I already showed you guys this one, the African black soap and the hair oil. Kind of look pretty. Let's see. Yeah, kind of, they look pretty. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, this is this set. So you can follow me if you want to buy it too. And then you are, this is rose water, this is rose water, another video. If you want to buy the African black soap or the shea butter or the hair oil, I will send it to you. You just have to pay for shipping or delivery. No matter where you are, I will definitely send it to you. I've sent stuff to UK, USA, and what's the other country again? South Africa. So you guys, thank you so much for watching again. Please leave a comment down, and if you have dreadlocks, tell me, okay, have you tried conditioners? Will you try conditioners? And then share this video with your friends, share the video with people that have dreadlocks. You know, I'm also trying to build a dreadlock community here, so you guys, it would be really nice of you guys to help me. Okay, peace out. I'm out. Stay fabulous.